Good Wednesday morning to you, or whatever day you're watching it. You could be watching it on the weekend for all I know. And if you are, then good for you. It means that you're a lifelong learner, that you're taking the learning of English seriously. Maybe you're watching all of these videos again on the weekend so that you know that you have it in your brain. And that is the point of learning things at a controlled, steady pace so that it does stick with you. Who am I? I am Kitti Andrews with Fluent and Fabulous, helping you to elevate your English the fun and easy way. Because when it's fun, you feel like doing it. Am I right? That's right. All right. So, and all of our words do come from the 600 words you need to know to do well on the IELTS test system that we use in Canada for and in other British countries for permanent residency, but they will serve you well no matter what you're using them for. Today's word is current. Yep, it is current, and it is used as a noun and as an adjective. So let's look at that, shall we? First, used as a noun. You're familiar with both of these. This is a refresher for you, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. The first is the flow of electricity, water, or air. So you have your electricity flowing, you have your air flowing, or water, of course. Okay, here's your sentence. The technician needed to switch off the electric current before repairing the wiring. That's a good thing to do, wouldn't you agree? Turn off the electric current at the fuse box before you start messing around with the electricity, right? Yeah, good thing to do. I don't have this written down here, but you could say he fought against the strong current of the water. Okay, he's in the water and he's fighting against this strong current. So you get the idea. It's a flow. Now, it is also used to describe belonging to the present time, happening now, okay? Current events, current news. In fact, that's our sentence. He stays informed of current events, things that are flowing. Do you see? It's still kind of the word flow. He stays informed of current events by watching the evening news. Okay? Any questions that you have about this word or any of the other words, any words that you know of that you have a question about, or any ways that I can help you in my programs, do reach out to me. Send me a text or a WhatsApp at the number below. Follow me on any of the platforms that you can see down below. And until tomorrow, I'm juggling props here. Until tomorrow, have a terrific day and be fluent and fabulous. Bye for now.